The 5.9L Cummins is a diesel engine produced by Cummins Inc. for use in heavy-duty trucks and equipment. It was first introduced in 1998 as a replacement for the 5.9L 12-valve engine and was available in the Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. One of the key features of the 5.9L Cummins is its high torque output, which is important for heavy-duty applications such as towing and hauling. The engine has a peak torque of 525 lb-ft, which is available at just 1600 rpm. This gives the vehicle excellent low-end power and makes it easy to get moving even when loaded down with cargo. The 5.9L Cummins also has a strong and durable design with a cast iron block and cylinder head. It also features a Bosch V44 electronic injection pump, which helps to improve fuel efficiency and performance. Additionally, the engine has a B50 life of 350,000 miles, which means that it is designed to last for over 350,000 miles of operation before needing a major overhaul. One of the main benefits of the 5.9L Cummins is its reliability. The engine is known for its long-lasting durability, and with proper maintenance, it can last for hundreds of thousands of miles. This makes it a popular choice for fleet owners and commercial users who need to keep their vehicles on the road for as long as possible. In terms of emissions, the 5.9L Cummins meets the strict emission standards set by the Environmental Protection Agency, PA, and is equipped with a diesel particulate filter, DFI, and selective catalytic reduction, SRI system. This helps to reduce the amount of pollutants emitted by the engine and makes it a more environmentally friendly option. The 5.9L Cummins is also a popular choice for aftermarket modifications and performance upgrades. Many diesel enthusiasts enjoy tuning their engines for more power and torque, and the 5.9L Cummins is known for its potential for big gains. Upgrades such as larger turbochargers, modified injectors, and custom tuning can all be used to boost the engine's performance. Overall, the 5.9L Cummins is a reliable, durable, and powerful diesel engine that is well suited for heavy-duty applications. It has a strong torque output and a durable design, and with proper maintenance, it can last for hundreds of thousands of miles. Additionally, it's also a popular choice for aftermarket modifications and performance upgrades.